Banoffee Pie Shots, which is a combination of bananas and toffee. Supposedly, I just heard in the office 5 seconds ago. Oh, you know, Banoffee. What the hell is that? Okay, so we start with some caramel vodka. Get some half and half milk in there. A little bit of creme de banana. Okay, where the toffee? I don't see any toffee. Caramel syrup in here. Okay, still waiting on the toffee. And we shake caramel syrup again, followed by a little bit of graham cracker crumbs. Okay, still no toffee, but I'm looking. Okay, rim. Stick it in the graham cracker crumbs. Okay, these are nice little shots. All right. Then we pour in our mix. Deliciousness, okay? What y'all laughing at? Then we garnish. Hold on, we ain't garnished yet. We put on a little bit of whipped cream. Still waiting on the toffee. Don't see it yet. Banana slice, okay? Chocolate shavings. That's still not toffee, but I get it. Banoffee. Apparently it's English. Okay, they have their own thing going up on there because I don't see any toffee in this, but apparently it's a combination. Okay, it's delicious. For all your drinking needs, visit tipsybartender.com. We got you covered, okay? We have the Banoffee up there for you, and you can figure out where the toffee comes in, all right? Okay, Emma, that one's dedicated to you because I don't know what the hell you're talking about, but it's a mix of banana toffee when ain't no toffee in it, okay? Queen of England, explain that to me. Stay tipsy.